So with my Go Rail train,
derailment.
try to hit it gently.
What you doing today? Eating tacos this
Eating
morning.
tacos? I don't think. What did you do?
Why, BNSF? Why are you crashing? All the passenger trains.
Alright,
are
I
all
think your
gone.
Amtrak train's all fixed.
Okay. Are you sure?
Yep. Daddy, look at this.
That was broken. It's broken.
Don't worry, I'll fix it. Is your Amtrak train?
Just 2 more minutes, buddy, and I'm all done, okay?
Oops, I didn't mean to do this. If your Amtrak train gets broke down again, let me know. And I'll call the BNSF for you. I lost one card! Ow! Hey! Hey!
Hey, it's the horses.
Better for babies.
I don't think so.
Nope, nope, nope. Steam. Did you just swallow my whole leg? Now I can take this thingy. Mommy, you're pinching me! You bumped your head.
Thanks.
Welcome.
How you doing?
This thing is lost.
Oh, my goodness.
Daddy, don't pull my sock off. It's stinky.
Ew, nobody likes a stinky sock.
No! We need to keep them closed so the cars don't run over. If you did it, then it will be bad.
Hey, what's that? Look at me. No.
Why'd you crash the car? You bad Amtrak.